everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy A53 and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all we have to find and open the settings, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom to find About Phone. Now let's enter software information because we have to find the build number, and all we have to do right now is to simply keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask you to enter it in order to confirm. So after activating it, we can go back to the general settings, and now let's scroll down again. As you can see, the developer options will appear right under the About Phone, so let's enter, and here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can show pointer location, we can change some options which are connected to the Bluetooth and actually with the no working, as you can see. So here we've got also the debugging options, we can set the picture color mode, and so on and so on. So quite a lot of options. So if you'd like to turn on the option, just tap on it, on the switcher on it, and as you can see it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course you can turn it off the same way. And if you've got the options without the switcher, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on this switcher at the top, and as you can see most of the options will be inactive. And after getting back, you can see that the developer options disappeared from the general settings. But of course, no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. So actually this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your Samsung Galaxy A53. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.